Today is full moon in Aquarius, and full moon illuminates what is ready to be let go, what has completed its course, and one of the expressions of Aquarius is community. So I'm going to ask the cards, what do the cards want to tell us in terms of an energy that us as the collective is ready to let go? And even before I can finish that, the cards are ready to talk. They are showing the Seven of Swords, which is deception, which is lies, which is different ways of looking at things which might not be as truthful as we would like it to be. And then the Three of Swords is one of the cards I really don't like in the deck, because this is heartbreak, this is really painful, this could be deception, this could also be part of betrayal. So I feel the one thing that we should really be stopping as a community, as a collective, is we should really start being more truthful and stop being deceptive, stop hurting each other, and move forward with a lot more love and what is good for all of us in the collective.